Hi, this is Miss Nancy. From the Discovery Center, you remember, the one who always sings the meatball songs? Well, I'm going on a puddle walk. Does this look like a good place to start? I see a puddle. But what else do I see? I see cars. This is near a parking lot. That means there will be cars. There may be a puddle, but this is not a good place to look for puddles. Let's find another place that's safer. Let's go. I spy with my little eye some raindrops that haven't fallen yet. I wonder how long it will take before they fall. What else can we find out in nature to tell you that the weather is wet today? Is it cloudy? Are there puddles? I spy with my little eye a puddle and some mud. Wouldn't this be dry if it was a sunny day? I noticed a creek that's not usually there. It's moving slowly. Can you see it? I see some leaves and bubbles floating by. Look, I found a puddle. But this puddle's too small. I think we can do better. Yeah, let's go find something else. Oh, what a surprise. It must have rained last night. Yesterday, my bird bath was empty and I thought, maybe I should fill it. Those birds are probably getting thirsty. And today, it's almost full. Can you hear that? It's one of my favorite sounds. It's the sound of water traveling. It's not as exciting as a creek or a stream, but this is just outside. Can you tell where the water's going? Looks like it's going on an adventure. I wonder where it will go next. Kansas doesn't have any oceans.